Pak, in fairness, ang saya-saya naman sa Thai Beauty Shop. Ang saya-saya ng kanilang Christmas party. O, di ba, nakaka-inspire magtrabaho kung may nilulook forward ka. And I commend Thai Beauty Shop for doing this. And this is also my time to answer yung nag-comment sa live na nagsasabi or nagko-question kung bakit daw dyan ang Christmas party. Well, hindi ko alam ha, with the Thai Beauty Shop management. Pero, if I am going to manage a certain group of people, this is what I am going to think, you know? Number one, wala pong karapatan or walang kahit sino mang pwedeng kumwestiyon ng Christmas party ng isang kumpanya. That is company's discretion, regardless kung kumita or hindi ang isang kumpanya. Number two, if I am going to be a manager or to manage these people, what I am going to think is kung ano ang makakapagpasaya sa aking mga employees, 'di ba? So, instead of putting all my budget to a very grandeur location, I'd rather focus on the budget na kung saan maibibigay ko ang mas malaking porsyento sa mga empleyado ko rather than putting it on a location. Kaya wag na wag or wala kayong karapatan para questionin kung bakit dyan lang sila nag-Christmas party. Number one, it has been their tradition to have their Christmas party in that location. Number two, they focus more on the food that they are going to give to the employee during the Christmas party, the giveaways that they are going to provide to their employee, mas dinamihan nila. Yung iba nga dyan, baka nga yung nag-comment na yun, wala pang natanggap na Christmas basket, basket na lang ha, yung kay Thai Beauty Shop, box. 'Di ba? So, wag ninyong kukwestiyonin ang isang kumpanya kung bakit dun lang sila. Kasi they have their own priority. Their priority is to give to their employees, to give as much as they can to their employees. 'Di ba? Yung kanilang paraffel, bonggang-bongga ang kanilang paraffel. 'Di ba? That is why they choose to stay in that location where they have been culturally known to be doing, and then also providing more to their employees, than what they give last year. And I commend the management for that because their thinking